not having as much fun as it is down here. Saturday night, we will be playing the AT&T Center. There's a way to get free tickets. Go on youchooseproject.org and you can get free tickets in advance. Otherwise, it's $10 at the door. Come spend some time with us on Saturday night. This song's called Coming Around.
I'm recording it, babe.
Shooting a documentary film that's going to be on TV right here. So if you want to be seen, that's the guy. Mike, turn up my ear, please. Up. Light this place up. I've seen so many things that you should see. Diamonds in the sky.
What?
You close to me.
I'm recording it.
A melody crashing over me, and I dream, and I believe it's coming around, and I dream, and I believe it's coming around, it's coming around to me. I cherish breath with you, just to help you breathe. Walk blind into the dark, but love enlighten me. I'd part the clouds for you, just to help you see. Sweet water and the wine, have faith in you and me. And I dream, and I believe it's coming around, and I dream, and I believe it's coming around to me. This simple world we live seems like it's all so clear. Every standing with me, standing from on the wall, everyone sees how much you mean to me, so much a part of me. To build a house we call a home for you and me. Children in the yard, with the eyes and beauty, and I dream, and I believe it's coming around, and I dream, and I believe it's coming around to me. Dream, come on, and I believe it's coming around, and I dream, and I believe it's coming around to me. It's gonna be our last song.